Hi guys, so for today's video, this video is actually apart from the usual content that I have, which is playing flute recorder. So this is about one of the hottest topics in the crypto world, which is Pi Network. So this happens especially after the announcement of the Pi Core team that they will be launching that open network on February 20, and a lot of crypto experts, crypto traders gave their opinions regarding this topic. So um, a lot of expectations also no coming from the pioneers or pioneers, especially some of the crypto platforms, especially the OKX announced that they will be enlisting Pi in their platform. So may mga maraming opinion no ang lumalabas sa ngayon. So ang GCV warriors are still there. So but for me, this is just my opinion no regarding the opening of the Pi network. So for me, it doesn't matter if it would be listed on any platform. So we don't need that actually. We have mined several cryptos already. We have mined Pi in the Pi browser and in the Pi app itself. So the Pi core team also built 100 Pi dApps already. So that would be enough for us to use our Pi coins. We don't need any crypto exchanges except only if you wanted to buy more or to obtain more Pi. So yun lang yung purpose ng Pi exchange or ng exchange platforms just like OKX no para sa mga baguhan na hindi nakapagmina ng Pi during the enclosed mainnet period or the testnet period. So, dito, sa open network, pwede na natin gamitin yung PyDApps, yung 100 PyDApps na inallow ng PyCore team, which is, that is the main purpose naman, no? Ay yung Pi browser or yung Pi ecosystem or yeah, the ecosystem that we have there in the Pi browser. 100 na rin naman yun, no? May mga mall na rin, may mga mapa, may mga for education. So that would be enough for us to use our Pi. You don't have to transfer to the exchange platform and sell it. Kailangan lang natin maghanap ng mga buyers or pwede rin tayo mismo kung gusto natin makakuha ng ang additional Pi, pwede tayong magbenta or gamitin yung service or mag-render ng service para sa additional na Pi. Yun lang guys. So, PyDApps, 100 PyDApps is enough. We don't need any crypto exchanges. Just leave it to the new ones or those who don't acquire Pi tokens.